Hi guys, I am Jivitesh from AIDS department. In this presentation, we will explore some powerful Python libraries that will supercharge your coding journey and help you to tackle real world problems. So get ready to dive in. Why Python libraries? Python libraries boost efficiency. Python libraries provides pre-written code, saving you time and effort. Solve complex problems from data analysis to machine learning. Python libraries offer specialized tools for advanced tasks. Community support. Most popular Python libraries have extensive documentation and large community support. NumPy. NumPy are also known as numerical Python. It is a cornerstone for scientific computing in Python. It provides powerful n-dimensional array object and tools for integrating C, C++, and Fortran code. Think of it as a super efficient calculator for large dataset. Key uses: working with large arrays and matrices, performing complex mathematical operations rapidly, backbone for many scientific libraries. Pandas. Pandas is an open source library that provides high performance, easy to use data structures and data analysis tools, especially useful for working with tabular data like spreadsheets or SQL tables. Why Pandas? Effortless data loading, cleaning, and preparation, powerful data alignment, and integrated handling of missing data, flexible reshaping and pivoting of datasets. Matplot libraries. Matplot libraries helps to craft a standing visuals like line plots, bar charts, pie charts, scatter plots. Matplot library is a versatile plotting library for creating static, interactive, and animated visualizations in Python. Seaborn. While Matplot library lays the groundwork, Seaborn builds the higher level interface for drawing attractive, informative statistical graph. It is a secret weapon for exploring complex datasets visually. Use cases: visualizing distributions of data, exploring relations between multiple variables, creating beautiful heat maps and violin plots effortlessly. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a free software machine learning library for Python. It features various classification, regression, and clustering algorithms, including support vector machines, random forest, gradient boosting, k-means, and dbscan. And it is designed to interoperate with Python numerical and scientific libraries like NumPy and SciPy. What can you do with scikit-learn? Build predictive models for various applications, implementing classification and regression algorithms, perform data clustering and dimensional reduction. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open source machine learning platform developed by Google. TensorFlow, widely used for building and training neural networks, especially for deep learning tasks. Why TensorFlow? Building sophisticated AI models for image recognition and NLP, natural language processing, scalable for large-scale model deployment. Kinter. Kinter is Python standard GUI toolkit. It's perfect for creating simple and functional desktop applications, allowing you to build interactive tools with buttons, text fields, and more. Practical use of Kinter. Developing small utility applications, creating interactive dashboards for data display, learning the fundamentals of GUI programming. Key takeaways: these libraries significantly boost your Python programming capabilities. Experiment with these libraries, read documentations, and build projects. Keep learning, keep building, and don't be afraid to explore more of Python vast ecosystem. Thank you.